Throw like a girl. You have changed that phrase. You have just been phenomenal in changing people's perception on what it is to be an athlete.
It's been absolutely amazing. You know, as a young girl dreaming of playing Major League Baseball, I never would have imagined that I would have the opportunity to play in college, let alone play for USA, my country, in the Olympic Games. It's absolutely incredible.
What are your goals? What are your big dreams that you still have for yourself? What's next for you?
Well, I'm excited. The book was a big goal, but just continuing to inspire others, hopefully get softball back in the Olympics. Especially being a female athlete, you want to leave the game with greater opportunity for those to come.
You can see much more with Jenny, ESPNW.com.